Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, the market opened lower and it went down quickly to the levels of 16,800, where the market was having strong support. So, between the levels of 16,900, 16,800, we saw a quick sell off but also a sharp recovery, and the market managed to rebound to the levels of 17,150, 160, which was the level of 100 day simple moving average. However, it fell to close above the same, which clearly indicates that still there is profit taking, or traders are trying to take some liquidation of long positions close to important resistance area. So for the day again, 17,150, 17,200 going to act as major resistance for the market, and we cannot forget that earlier support was around 17,200 for the market. So now that is going to act as major resistance. So today, in case if we see the market is rebounding to the levels of 17,200, then there we should look for taking some contra bait of going short with a stop loss at 17,250 on the higher side. On the downside, 16,950, 16,900 would be major support, and it should not close below the levels of 17,000. It should not close below the levels of 16,800. On the higher side, in case if we see the market is managing to close above 17,200, then in that case we can expect furthermore pullback or furthermore upward retracement. So closing means daily close. If the market is starts trading above the levels of 17.2 in the last half an hour of trading, then we can expect furthermore gains in the market, or it will be positive for the market for next 1 or 2 days of time. The bank nifty was also down, but it recovered after hitting 35,500. It closed around 36,000 levels, and there also the formation is more or less similar. So there also we feel that 36,500 should be the next level to watch out for, and a close above the same would be positive. But today, if we see the market is bank nifty is trying to reach those levels, then there we should look for taking some contra bets in the market. We saw some specific activity in technology companies like TCS, Infosys, HCL Technologies, even Tech Mahindra. They recovered very well from their lows. So furthermore activity is not ruled out because it's a defensive sector, and after hitting the important support areas and long-term support areas, most of the time we see some value buying, and this time again we saw some value buying in technology companies. So certainly we can expect furthermore activity, furthermore bullishness for the IT sector in the long run, and maybe that's the reason we saw some specific buying in all these large cap companies. Infosys, TCS, all these stocks, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, they are very close to their long-term support areas, and certainly if we go through with their fair values based on fundamentals, then there also there is decent upside. So certainly we should look for adding these stocks to our positional portfolio. Now if we go through with financials, then stocks like ICICI Bank, State Bank, they have fallen to their support areas, and we are discussing on these stocks and sectors since last so many days. So again, if there is a positional view, then certainly we should look for adding these stocks to our portfolio. Otherwise, for trading, it is better to stay away because it is very difficult to get some trading momentum in these stocks. Now, if we go through with global markets, then there we are then the overall the market condition is not that great. We are seeing mixed trend in the US market as well as in Asian markets. Yes, the positive part is that 10-year bond yield is around 1.50, which is little bit positive for our markets, and dollar index, which was around some 96.60 70, now it is at 96.20. And finally, if we see the FIS figure, then they again sold nearly 2,300 crores on Monday. But the best part is that domestic institutions, they bought more than 4,000 crores. So after very long time, domestic institutions have crossed the ceiling of FIIs. So means I mean to say they have offsetted heavily by infusing funds in the market, so which is positive certainly for the market in the long run. Yes, in the short term it is certainly going to follow the sentiment, and sentiment is not that great. Uncertainty is always like something which is traders, big traders, they try to avoid, and that's the reason we are seeing some selling at higher levels. So friends, for the day specifically 16,800 and 17,200 would be the should be the range for the day, and based on its closing, we can expect further more activity in the market. That's all from my side for the day. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.